Right, you join me from Gold Member. Now, I was going to go camping this weekend, but the old weather had other plans for us. We have a cyclone here, Cyclone Vaianu or something like that. I'm not really good on pronunciation, so my bad if that's wrong. But that's sort of sweeping across the country. Hasn't really hit Gisborne yet, and I don't think we're going to get heavy rain or anything, but I think the wind is going to ramp up a bit. It has just a little bit ramped up here at home. So I thought, wow, why not go out and make a video and showcase what I find. If I find nothing, then I find nothing. So, but it's worth it anyway, because you're just going to be inside most of the day anyway. So I think it's meant to hit around about 3 o'clock is the main wind and stuff, and maybe the waves will go like crazy high here, like Whakatane and stuff like that. Is like they're telling them to evacuate or something. So it's still on its way. So yeah, we'll give it a crack anyway. And if you're new to this channel, I'm Jason. I do a lot of like adventure stuff, or when I can anyway, when the gas prices aren't too crazy. Usually do it with my brothers. I've got 5 brothers, but only a couple of them are really into adventure stuff, but usually my brothers do it, or a couple of friends. But yeah, if you enjoy like waterfalls, hidden gems, car events, I sort of mix it up, do a bit of different stuff as I go. Then yeah, subscribe and follow along, and if you want to, you don't have to, or just give us a like, that always helps out. But yeah, that's me. Yeah. Oh, holy moly, I just filled up here at Allied, which was the cheapest petrol one of the day, which is $3.36 for 91, and diesel was $3.92.9. Holy shit. What's it like where you guys live? Same or bloody way more or way less? That is crazy. Even the roof of this building out here is bloody swaying. That's how much wind has sort of started. Oh, carry on. Looks like it's been pretty windy down in this part of Nelson Road. The old trees have taken a bit of a beating. This one here. And then check this one here out. So we're just down the local beach, Mad Mile, and the waves aren't too bad at the moment. It's not too bad, just a bit wind. Now we'll just go for a quick look out at the pines out Okatu, Wainui. Wind's ramping up out here, waves get bigger. Right, we're just out at Turiha Beach. Oh, check out the wind gusts on the road. See some shits come down from there. Just found my brother too. He's just in front of me in his Hilux, so he's gonna go have a look at Sponge Bay.
Some of that wind's even pushing my ute around while I'm driving, eh?
Yeah, I had the same, pretty bad in the country too.
Out past Old Ferny Road, like past Speedway and shit. Fuck, I was like holding on.
The old cows are bunching towards the wind, so in a pack. The old trees up the main street, all the bits are falling off them. There's a piece in front of us on the road. They did debark them, but still getting bits off them. I see bits falling as we go. trees have really taken a... Oh, it took the whole fence out. The old power line crew checking this out. The tree must have fallen on the power line just over here. It's not bloody ideal. It's not bloody ideal for Burrell Street. Jeez. It's like old Norwood's shed doors are... not... Here we go, it's gonna sting. It's actually pretty sore. And just to show a perspective of how much sand is coming full speed. My socks weren't like that before. Fellas made them a slide. That's fun. So, went for the little Sunday drive look around to see what the cyclone had done. Not too bad on the rain, we didn't really get the rain, but the amount of trees down was incredible. I'm just driving down the street now and it's just full of it too. But yeah, trees down, roofs that had been lifted a little bit, shed doors, that sort of thing. Plenty of that. They actually closed out at the beach up the coast. They closed State Highway 35, then they closed the road to Wairoa, and then obviously the gorge, so we're sort of locked in again, so it's pretty normal for us. But yeah, other than that, it was more just trees down this time. Obviously it's going to affect a few people because some did take out a lot of fences and stuff like that, so, but all in all, I thought it was going to be a lot worse. The waves aren't that big, but they might ramp up later on, but I thought they would be bigger. Town beach is very, very calm, so, and it's very warm. It's like that subtropical sort of climate. So, oh well, little Sunday drive ahead, and yeah, obviously, hopefully something a bit more exciting in the next one. But this was just a look around Gisborne after the eye of the storm went through. Yep, cool as. I'll catch ya. Just as I'm getting home too, that shed shouldn't be there. That should be over there somewhere, not on the tree.